Stop trying to be so damn happy. Here's how you can actually level up your life in just 60 seconds. This comes from Mark Manson's best-selling book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. The main idea is simple. Choose what truly matters and just let go of the rest. Ready? First up, level 1, the backwards law. Basically, the more you chase feeling good, the more you remind yourself that you don't. So here's your quest. Accept one bad feeling today. Just let it be. Don't fix it. All right, level 2 unlocked. Choose your struggle. A good life isn't about avoiding problems. It's about finding problems you actually like solving. For this quest, write down what pain you're willing to put up with to get what you want. And now for the final level, and this one's a big one. You are not special. See, accepting your average takes all the pressure off. It frees you up to just do things. Your quest, find just one area where you can aim for good enough instead of perfect.
Bonus round, the do something principle. Action creates motivation, not the other way around.
So right now, just do that one tiny 2-minute task you've been putting off. Go on.
I've got a PDF for you in the description or pinned comment, and hey, like and subscribe if this helped.
Drop a comment. What's your next step in the next 24 hours? Also, let me know what book you want to explain next. I'll pick the most requested one.